It's my first time to came to Mongolia. I found the country is beautiful. Also, the landscape of the country is similar to ours. So humble people. Also, we feel like we are in our home. So it's a beautiful country, nice. At this time, even though I didn't recognize other winters, so it's a beautiful and collaborative community, society, and it's good to be here. We are not feeling like foreigners. We are feeling like Mongolians. Yeah.
Okay. So next question is just comparing to Mongolian and Ethiopian HCMers. What the difference and what the common?
In regarding to artisanal mining, we have similarities in few activities. We have, as we mentioned, the last 3-4 days, we have around 15,000, half a million artisanal miners. We are trying to formalize and to make micro enterprise or cooperatives to become more established system, and to make some bylaws, legislative activities. So you have also the similar. You formalize and recognize artisanal miners. They have a contribution to the GDP. In our country, the artisanal miners, they contribute around 5% of the GDP. 5%. Yeah. We collect. It's a source of income, as well as we gain a foreign currency from that area. You also you have artisanal miners, even though the number is few. Also, you legalize and recognize the system. So we have a common ground to work together to formalize and to make this system sustainable with the environment, to reclaim it. Even though, as you know, mining is always is against the environment.
Yes.
So we see all your best practice how to protect the environment. This is artisanal mining, but the site is clean and well protected. In other areas, there are a lot of non-rehabilitated areas. So we see your practice regarding your awareness, how to protect, how to handle all the environmental friendly mining of artisanal miners. Also, we have a great impression. We don't have any rescue team here. As a government, also in the artisanal miners are supported by the government to rescue any activity. So we don't have any such activity. So we will learn a lesson to establish a team support those artisanal miners to rescue all the activity, to be safe and health and environmental friendly mechanism to be established in our country. So we should look after to make the artisanal miners to contribute, even though they are citizens of Mongolia, citizens of Ethiopia. They are working, one of the source of income, not only for employment, it's also to generate to contribute to the economy, but it should be make informal and make it in legalized way. There is a lot of challenge on that. So we have similarity. We are facing. There are a lot of 500,000 artisanal miners. When they get seed money or a capital, they should shift to higher level, to from artisanal miners small scale level. So you can control and make organize the system very well and establish very well. So we are proposing like that. I think in your country as well, you can think of that system. Then after we can take a lesson
Yes.
from Ethiopia. Also, we could take a lesson from Mongolians as well. That's what I have.
Okay.
Mhm.
Thank you.
Thank you.